This is a brand which we've never had on this channel. It's called Heris, and it's a family-owned model maker that hails from Mönchengladbach in Germany. It was founded in the year 2000 and it still makes models to this day, both in HO scale and I believe also in TT scale. This is an HO scale model number 11030 and it's going to be quite an interesting model to have a look at, so let's get it out the box. And here is the model, and it is quite unusual because it's called a Heizwagen, I think that's how you pronounce it in German, but basically a heating wagon or heating car. And it's from the Deutsche Bundesbahn in Epoch 3 dark green livery with Munich depot assignment. This model was first produced in 2012 as part of a utility vehicle series, and it was produced until around about 2018 when it was discontinued. And so it was only a small run really. It does have some etched parts on it, and we'll check this out closer in a moment. And also, this is a second-hand model I got, so I'll tell you how much I paid for it at the end of the video. So this model hasn't got any power pickup or anything like that, so it's got no special features other than what it is, but it does have a lot of really nice parts on this model. The main part is done in this dark green colour, which has a nice matte finish. As we move around to the end of this van or carriage, whatever you want to call it, we've got this black piece here for the gangway, which looks really good. It's very detailed. And inside there we have some additional silver parts added in, and we can see the door there with the flush fit glazing. We also have these handrails which are extra pieces added on in silver. We've got some transfers here as well, and moulded into the main piece of plastic some steps going up to the roof. The buffers are moulded into the chassis, and I'll come to that in a minute. And the roof is very detailed as well. I'll come back to that once we have a look down the side of this carriage. The door is very well defined here. It's even got silver there for the door handle, which is cool. And the flush fit glazing looks really good as well. I love how these windows have got green surrounds as well. They're very clear, and you can see inside that we have some features there. It's actually the boiler, and you see it a bit more as we move to this middle window. You can see that there's a boiler in there. The printing on the side is very clear. You can see the Munich there and the number, some specifications of this carriage. Even down here it's got the Heizwagen, and in the middle it's got the Deutsche Bahn logo and some more printing down on the chassis part, which is actually just masked off and painted black, and it looks really good. The masking is great. At this end there's no difference to the one we've just seen, but looking up on the roof there's a lot going on here. We've got these walkway pieces which have been added in, and these handrails as well, which look great, and obviously the big chimney here with the etched piece for the grille in the middle there. The roof really does look very good. It's got no moulding marks at all, and it's got all these extra features which make it really quite a cool looking thing. If you look down at the chassis, we've got some steps coming down here, and these bogies look great. You can see straight away through them, and they also have a lot of detail on them as well. The brakes are in line with the wheels, and the wheels revolve really well. These are just push fit bogies into the chassis, but they are looking really nice. We have NEM pocket couplings up here, and the cantilever as well, separate to the bogies, and the mechanism is hidden inside the chassis too, which is always a great touch. In the middle we've got some well-defined brake gear and a couple of boxes and the logo Heris there. And on this bogie we've got a slight difference in that we've got a little dynamo at the back here, so that makes this bogie different to the first one. And we have the same NEM pocket, although this one is actually missing a coupling at this end. So this is a very interesting heating wagon, something I've not seen before, and it's certainly very eye-catching, especially on the roof. It feels quite heavy, so let's put this on the scales and we'll see how much it weighs. So this model comes in at 120 grams. So the first model I've seen close up of Heris, and I'm actually quite impressed with this. I love the fact that it's quite unusual. It's something I've never seen before. I've never even heard of this type of wagon before, and I think they've pulled it off really well on this model. The finish is absolutely superb, and there's a lot of detail going on at the roof there. One thing I did notice though is that this model actually rocks quite a lot. So I think it could benefit from having the bogies attached a bit more firmly to this chassis, and that would prevent this wobbling on the track, which would look terrible, I think. But aside from that, this is a fantastic model, and it's also something very different as well. And when it comes to price, well, because they're actually quite rare and also very interesting, the prices are quite high. I actually paid £30 for this coach, and I still think that's a bargain because I've seen them going for more than €40 in Europe as a second-hand model. This one is in absolutely fantastic condition, just missing a coupling at one end. So I think I've got a pretty good model here, and it's also something very different from the normal coaches that you get. So I will be looking out for more Heris stuff in the future. Going by this, I think it's probably going to be good stuff. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, especially if you own something from Heris. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on it. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. I'll put this on the turntable so you can see all the way around, and check out that video that's going to appear on screen. That's another review I've done. I'll see you there. But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See ya.
So model train, model world. train in tiny worlds. Choo choo, model trains, tiny train, model worlds. Choo choo, model trains, tiny train in tiny worlds. Choo choo.